I'm breaking the right side of the wall.
That wall's coming down one way or another.
My giant extra long chisel. I snapped it.
Did it snap?
Yeah.
Oh,
It snapped
man.
doing that motion. I wasn't even prying on it. It snapped thing right off.
Charlie's Chicken Shack. Felt that one. Okay.
I guess technically that'd be my job.
Yeah. Yes, that was a wall coming down. It was fun to watch. Quick update. I know it's been a while since I posted. We have been very busy. I've been very busy. I haven't posted in a while because, well, the kids have been sick on and off, and life is just crazy right now. I did hire somebody to help. I hired this new girl. She's fantastic, hard worker. She's doing a great job so far. It's just part-time right now, but I know in the future she's going to be full-time because with the way that we're growing, which is such a blessing, we are growing leaps and bounds right now. I mean, in the past 6 months, we've hired a few people. We've taken a wall down. We're putting new lift in. We have people waiting to be scheduled. Right now I'm only scheduling a few months in advance because we don't know what our schedule's like in the late summer and fall. So I have people scheduled until end of July, beginning of August, and then after that I'm going to start calling people that are on our waiting list. Thank you everybody so much for the support. This is fantastic. I never thought that this could happen, but it's a wild ride. It's fun. It's exciting, and we have all of you guys to thank for it. Let me show you what we've been doing. Just a moment. My new helper has helped me hang up some more signs and pictures. Let's see over here. And we do have some merchandise for customers that come in and get their vehicles fixed. We have some, you've seen it over here, some cups and tumblers. And we do have some decals. And let's venture off into the shop. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, so this is opening up pretty well. We do have a new roll-up door that's coming in the end of the month, and this is what we've done so far. Ray has taken the wall down with some helpers, and he has put up some plyboard just to keep it all protected. And the lifts are gonna go right over here. There's Troy helping out. Say hi. Hello. And let's walk out here. So that's a quick update of the shop. Oh, that's bright. I'm gonna back up. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great evening, afternoon, morning, whatever it may be, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.